Here at AMW Heating, we're specialists in heating and plumbing services throughout Bristol. A broken boiler can catch you by surprise. From repairs to installations, as your local Worcester Bosch accredited installers, we are on hand to repair your boiler. If your boiler is beyond repair, we can install a brand new boiler to suit your home and budget. With up to a 12-year guarantee on brand new selected Worcester Bosch boilers. Get in touch with the AMW Heating team today. With over 100 5-star Google reviews, we pride ourselves on customer care and satisfaction. Whether it's brand new boiler installations, to repairs, to annual service or even landlord gas safety certificates. Find out more about our services on our website, www.amwheating.co.uk.